You're asked to solve the following equations using square roots. So in this one here, remember the process is a little bit different than factoring. We don't want to solve for zero. We don't want it equal to zero. We want just the x squared by itself. So in this one, I'm going to add 9 to both sides. And then once I have x squared by itself, I take the square root of both sides. And if you say that your answer here is 3, you got 50% of the answers, because remember, whenever we take the square root, when we're solving, we should get plus or minus 3. Second one here, same idea, plus 44, x squared equals 44. Take the square root of both sides. The only issue with this one is that the square root of 44 doesn't give me a nice pretty number. So I'm going to break it up into its pieces to try and simplify this radical or this square root. I see that I have a pair of 2's, so I can pull that out. And the 11 stays there, so I got square root of 11 inside the radical. And then don't forget plus or minus when we're solving. Next one, we got to divide by 2. So we get, let me give you a different color there. So divide by 2 on both sides. We got x squared equals 5 over 2. This is the situation which is bad because I have a square root in the denominator, and I don't want that. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by root 2, which gives me x equals plus or minus square root of 10 over 2. Now that I don't have the square root in the denominator, I can call that my final answer. And last one here, divide by 4, divide by 4. 32 divided by 4 is actually just 8. So x squared equals 8. Square root both sides. Again, I have to simplify this one like the second one. Got to break it down into its factors. Anything that I can pair up, that means I can pull it out. Anything that's left over stays on the inside. So my final answer is x equals plus or minus 2 root 2.